There are several ways to earn money with dollars on the internet, some of which are freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer on platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can provide services such as writing, graphic design, programming, data entry, and more. Online surveys. Participate in online surveys and get paid in dollars. There are many survey sites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vendale Research that pay cash for completing surveys. Affiliate marketing. Promote products on your website or social media pages and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. You can join affiliate programs of companies such as Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Online trading. You can trade in Forex or cryptocurrencies and earn money if the value of the currency goes up. However, this method involves a high risk of loss as well, and you should do proper research before investing any money. Online store. You can start an online store and sell products in dollars. Platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce make it easy to create an e-commerce store and start selling products online. It's important to note that earning money online requires effort, patience, and consistent work. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and you need to invest time and effort to see results.